Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what are the causes and effects of flooding? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what are the causes and effects of flooding. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what are the causes and effects of flooding. Floods can have devastating consequences and can have effects on the economy, environment, and people. During floods, especially flash floods, roads, bridges, farms, houses and automobiles are destroyed. The flooding caused massive leakage in nuclear plants and has since caused high radiation in that area. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.